Feel a draft coming from your light switches? Ceiling gaskets offer a quick and easy way to insulate your exterior wall switches, eliminating drafts and helping you save energy and money. Made of fire-retardant plastic foam, these gaskets safely fit behind your existing light switch covers. Have a switch cover that's not a standard size? No problem. Simply trim the gasket with scissors to fit. Installation is easy. Before getting started, turn off the power to the switch you plan to insulate with the gasket. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove the switch cover and set aside. Remove the switch gasket from the packaging and place over the light switches. Then, place the light switch cover over the gasket and secure it with a screw. As easy as that, you are ready to start saving energy with your new switch gasket. We offer a variety of energy-saving products to meet both your residential and commercial needs. Visit us at www.amconservation.com to choose the product that is right for you.